What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video. Alright, YouTube, it's currently the next morning. God, what is on my face, bro? Oh, lotion. Oh, no shot. Good morning, YouTube. It's a beautiful morning right now. We got some things that we're about to do. We're about to hook up the tuner. So what we're currently doing is we're about to do a remote session with my tuner. I just got my tune. We're gonna upload it to the car. But the problem is the car's still not cranking. So basically he's gonna go in and look and see if there's anything wrong. I mean, I think it's the fuel pump. And then from there, we're gonna try to get that fixed. So that's what we're doing currently. And then from there, we're gonna try to get it started. So just clearing all the codes right now and then uploading the tune. So right now we're hooking up the computer. We're gonna hook this up right here to the USB port. Hook that up. Go to program. That'd be me right there. Just gonna do this. Key off.
Alright, so the ball's in your court. Just keep me in the loop. Let me know when you get ready for me again. And we'll, just... Can we do this today? Because I usually stay pretty busy. But just give me a little bit of a heads up and we'll get you in.
Okay, so where we're at with it, a lot just happened. So they tested it. And I got the graph up right here. The fuel pressure is really bad. So they recommended that I go and get they told me that I need to go ahead and go get a new fuel pump and new fuel filter. Because the fuel pressure is so low. But so once we do that, they can remote tune and we can pretty much get the car taken care of, which is crazy, bro. I can't believe we're already about to tune it. So I'm gonna get everything taken care of as far as the fuel pump and get that installed. And from there, that should take care of everything. And when we get that done, then I'll make a separate video on tuning the car. So that's where we're at with the Mustang. I'm super excited right now. All right, everyone. Here's the new daily driver in place of my Mustang. Bam! I mean, you can already see there's some body damage right there. A little body damage right here. But not too bad. It is a 2014 Nissan Altima. Brother, when I tell you this thing is, before we, little body damage, but we're not worried about it. You want to talk about amazing on gas, dude? I got this Monday and it's Friday, and I just filled up for the first time yesterday. And I've been driving this thing back and forth just about everywhere right now. It's a sick little car, I'm not gonna lie to you. And I got it for super cheap. Got a little bit of body issues. The heat shield, I believe, is rattling through the engine on the exhaust. Not too bad on the interior. 180,000 miles. I mean, she's good, bro. She's good. After we installed the alternator, the car started to have some problems. There was nothing like actually wrong with the car, but it would just not start sometimes. And then we'd give it a jump and it was like a 50-50 shot that the car would even start. I wish I had tackled it sooner, but I mean, I thought that the battery was just going dead for the meantime, but ended up having a dead cell. So after we figured that out, I replaced it. So it's got a new battery, new alternator, and then it still would do a crank no start. After I changed the battery, the theft light came on, so I didn't know if that had something to do with it. The key started acting funny. The fuel pump wasn't cutting on. I ended up getting the car turned on and put my hand on the CCRM, and it felt like it was clicking a little bit. I don't know if it's as prominent as it was. But the fuel pump still seems to not be turning on, so we're gonna check the fuel pressure. If the fuel pressure isn't good, then I think the fuel pump's done for after that. It's either that or the CCRM. So if anybody's having kind of the same issues, like I just changed the battery. That's where we're at with the Mustang right now. That's why this car is such a blessing, because now I have a daily driver that I can just put miles on, and it's very good on gas, 30 miles per gallon. That's gonna save me a lot of money, thus keeping miles off the Mustang, and then allowing me to save up a little bit more and put more effort into the Mustang. But everything happens for a reason, and this just happened to work out perfectly. So it's not by my hand, it's by the Lord's hand. All glory to him. If y'all haven't already, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm so excited. I'm actually kind of geeking out. And also, if y'all haven't already, be sure to go follow my Instagram. I'll leave it in the description below, and y'all can go check it out. Follow me, DM me, if y'all got any questions, or if y'all happen to know what's wrong with my car, please help me. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one, man.
Hang out with the Martians, cruise in a spaceship, take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.